played, left, lived, lived. I played soccer with my brother last night. My father loved my mother 20 years ago. I lived in Saigon for 2 years. Look at, watched, worked. Yesterday, I watched movie with my friends. I looked that book 2 days ago. I worked in Hanoi 3 years ago. It status needed wanted. I had wanted to study in France 3 days ago. I needed money to buy shoes. I started learning English at 11 a.m. Lights, get spots. I like I like ice cream. He cooks very good. I love sports. Plays, friends, lives. He plays tennis. I usually play soccer with my friends. She lives in Hanoi City. Watch is Miss is Boca is he watch is TV. Smith is her mother. He likes Boca is